Hey guys, Charles here. Day 7, question number 7. Today is the day. We're on the final few hours before the actual workshop. I can't wait to see everybody there, but there's still room. There's still time to get registered. You can join in. It's free. There's still time for those who have already registered to get upgraded to the Elite VIP experience. There's a lot of cool stuff that you can get there, but here's today's question. Out of everything that we've done so far, the previous 6 days, the previous 6 questions that you've answered, today I want you to really get laser focused and narrow down with who can you really specifically help. How can you narrow this down, narrow your niche down even further than what we have already? How can you get really granular, really detailed with who you want to speak to, who you want to work with? Come to the workshop. We'll discuss that even more. I can't wait to see you guys. I'm pumped for this. This is the first time we're doing something like this, so I want a really great turnout. I got my team's ready. They're excited. They're going to be a little sleepy, but they're excited as well. I can't wait to see you guys, and I hope more people consider joining this. I'd love to fill this thing out to max capacity because this is going to change people's lives. I can't wait.